Hello, I'm Anmol. You're watching Odisha Post Live and these are today's headlines. Several truckloads of potatoes have managed to enter Odisha from West Bengal. But there is still fluctuation in the prices in wholesale and retail markets in the state. The price of potatoes registered a marginal drop on Saturday. However, the rate ranges from Rs 40 to Rs 50 per kilo. Odisha Law Minister Prithviraj Harichandan today said that the government will check the documents of Bangladeshis living in the state. Amid fears of large-scale influx of immigrants from the trouble-torn state, Harichandan informed that illegal immigrants will be deported. Indian Navy is likely to celebrate the Navy Day in Puri this time. 5 ships of the Navy were seen anchored off Puri coast on Saturday, leading to speculations among locals and tourists. A senior police official, however, clarified that the Navy chief is in the state and the ships have anchored to survey the area ahead of Navy Day. The Sri Jagannath Temple administration has served a notice to Pratihari Sevayat over an alleged delay in the conduct of the Dwarafeta ritual at Puri Shri Mandir. As per reports, there was a delay of nearly 35 minutes in the door opening ritual on Friday. This allegedly led to the delay in the conduct of other rituals at the temple. The IMD has predicted a rise in rainfall activities in Odisha from August 15, 2024. As per the latest IMD forecast, several parts of Odisha will experience light to moderate rainfall till August 14. However, heavy rainfall activities are likely in several parts of state in subsequent periods. Prime Minister Narendra Modi undertook an aerial survey of the disaster-hit areas of Kerala's Wayanad on Saturday and took stock of the devastation caused by landslides that claimed hundreds of lives. Churalmala, Mundakai, and Punchiri Matam villages, the regions worst hit by the landslides, were among the areas surveyed by the Prime Minister via IAF helicopter. A gunfight broke out between security forces and terrorists in Jammu and Kashmir's Anantnag districts on Saturday. According to the police, the gunfight is going on in the Ahlan area of Kokarnag in Anantnag district. The Agniveer scheme is a golden opportunity for the youths to serve the nation, the Chief of Naval Staff Admiral Dinesh Kumar Tripathi has said. A total of 1,389 Agniveers, including 214 women, joined the service on Friday following 16 weeks of training, he added. External Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar met Maldivian President Mohammad Muizzu Saturday and emphasized New Delhi's commitment to deepen India-Maldives ties for the benefit of the people in the two countries and the region. Jaishankar is on a 3-day official visit to Maldives to reset the bilateral relationship, the first high-level trip from India after the archipelago nation's pro-China President Muizzu assumed office last year. An Israeli airstrike hit a school-turned-shelter in Gaza City early Saturday, killing more than 60 people, Palestinian health authorities said, in one of the deadliest strikes in the 10-month-old war between Israel and Hamas. The Israeli military acknowledged the strike, claiming it hit a Hamas command center within the school. Hamas denied using the school as a command center. That's all for today's headlines. Stay tuned to Odisha Post Live.